Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mikayla and today I have 4 different mug cake recipes for you. The first one is Snickerdoodle, then I have a peanut butter chocolate chip, a chocolate, and a banana chocolate chip. I did list the ingredients in the description down below, so you don't have to worry about writing anything down as you watch the video. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. For the Snickerdoodle mug cake, you're going to need a 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of flour, a 1/4 cup of room temperature milk, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of butter. It took 20 seconds in my microwave to melt the butter. Now we're going to go ahead and let that cool for a moment while we add in other dry ingredients to this bowl. You are going to want a 14-ounce mug for this. Now if you're not sure how big your mug is, what you can do is fill it up with water from the sink, then transfer it into a measuring cup and you'll see how many ounces of water had previously been in that mug. So I've just added the flour, white sugar, baking powder, and cinnamon. We're going to go ahead and just give that a whisk. Now that the dry ingredients have been combined, we're going to go ahead and add the wet ingredients. So that will be our room temperature milk, and the 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, along with the butter that we have previously melted. I'm going to go ahead and stir this together. Now that the batter is mixed, I'm going to go ahead and pour some into the mug. I'm going to pause for a moment, sprinkle in a layer of cinnamon, again with the batter, another sprinkle of cinnamon. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put this in the microwave. Now microwave times can vary, so I'm going to start with 1 minute, and I'll let you know what time worked best for me after I take it out. I ended up microwaving this for 1.5 minutes. There you have it, a Snickerdoodle mug cake. For the peanut butter chocolate chip mug cake, you're going to want 4 tablespoons of flour, which is also a 1/4 cup, a 1/4 cup of milk, 1.5 tablespoons of peanut butter, 4 teaspoons of sugar, 1 heaping tablespoon of chocolate chips, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. First, we'll add all the dry ingredients to a bowl. Now you can do this all by hand. I just happen to have the hand mixer out because I made monkey bread yesterday, so I'm going to go ahead and use that. But you can do this by hand. We'll give it a quick mix. Now we will start adding in the milk and peanut butter. Now I will mix this. Fold in the chocolate chips now. There we go. And one more. Now we'll add it to the mug. Now go ahead and pop it in the microwave. Okay, I had it in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Here is the peanut butter chocolate chip mug cake. The next mug cake we're going to do is a chocolate one, and for this you're going to need a 1/4 cup of flour, a 1/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon of milk. I've gone ahead and substituted in some vanilla almond milk today. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of both cocoa powder and white sugar, and the recipe did call for 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I did not have that on hand, so what I'm going to do instead is do 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. I'm going to go ahead and melt that off under some heat. A sprinkle of salt, a tablespoon of chocolate chips, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Alright, gone ahead and got that flour in there. Now I'm going to dump the white sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, and I'll do a dash of salt. Gonna whisk this together. I'm going to go ahead and slowly add some milk in. I did heat up the coconut oil in the mug. Now I'm going to go ahead and pour the batter in. I'll continue mixing it in the mug for a moment. Now I'm going to drop the chocolate chips in on the top here, and we'll put it in the microwave. For this mug cake, I did 1 minute and 45 seconds in my 700-watt microwave. And that is the chocolate mug cake. This last chocolate chip mug cake is really easy to whip up. We're going to have a banana, egg, 1/3 cup of oatmeal, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. I'm going to start by putting the oatmeal in the blender, then I'm going to put the egg in. And add the banana, vanilla. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend it up. I'm going to go ahead and fold the chips in there. Okay, time to get in the microwave. Okay, here is the chocolate chip mug cake. Okay, this is the banana chocolate chip mug cake. Hi guys, I really hope you enjoy learning the recipes in today's video. My personal favorite is the Snickerdoodle. I really enjoy the taste of it and think the consistency is the closest to an actual cake. However, that being said, the one I make the most is the banana chocolate chip one. And that's because it's just so super quick and easy. For the sake of today's video, I took the time to measure out to give you a really good idea of the ratio I aim for. However, if you make it a few times, you'll really get good at eyeballing it and it'll just cut down dishes for you. And it's just another easy way to use up a banana if I need to as well. A note on the peanut butter one, if you want to go for a deeper peanut butter flavor, you can add up to an additional tablespoon of peanut butter Just understand the more that you add, the more the consistency will shift to be thicker and denser. So you'll definitely want a glass of milk with it if you decide to add any more. Please let me know in the comments down below which one you are most interested in trying. Also, do not forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss out on any new recipes. Next week I'm going to do 3 unique and easy pita lunches, so stay tuned.